Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. In this video, I am going to show you another Python program to find the sum of first n natural numbers. For example, if I provide the n value as 5, then your program output should print the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, up to the number 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what is the sum of these numbers? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. If you notice this, the regular procedure of sum calculation by the human being, I am starting from the first number, okay? 1 plus 2, it is 3. Then 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Then 10 plus 5, 15. So to make this type of calculation with the computer, so you can take any variable. Let's take the variable as total and assign this total to the initial value 0. Then every time you are going to calculate this total with the first number. So now total equal to total plus the first number here 1. Here initially the total value is 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. This is the current total value. So 0 plus 1. I am trying to do something like this. 0 plus 1 because I have to add 0 to the first number. The reason for adding 0 is nothing but 0 plus anything. It is nothing but anything, right? So the current value is now 1, the total value. Now this total value will be added with the next number. So the same thing will be repeated, total equal to total plus 2. Now what is the current total value? It is 1 here. The previous sum 1 plus the current value of this is 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And this process will be repeated till the last number 5. So now total equal to the previous total, you can say the current value plus 3, the current number. So current value of total is 3 plus the current number is 3. 3 plus 3 here 6. Now total equal to total plus 4, number 4. What is the current total value here? The current total value is 6. Okay, 6 plus the current number is 4, that is 10. Then total equal to total plus 5. Here the current total is 10 plus the current number is 5 equal to 15. Now we are going to repeat the statements here. The current total value plus every time the current number, it is going to added with the current total. So this is the way how you can write the logic. This statement can be put inside the for loop so that you can do the sum automatically using the for loop. So let us write the program now. Go to the IDLE, take a new file. Now the very first line is take the n value, n equal to int of input of enter the n value. So how many numbers you want to do the sum? The first n numbers. Okay. Now once it is received from the user, then you have to declare a variable that is total equal to 0. Now you can repeat this statement total equal to total plus the current number with the help of for loop. For I in range of, you can start from 1 to n plus 1. So the range will exclude the last number. So that's why if the n value is 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So that sum will come till the 5 numbers, right? And the statement inside this is total can be the current total plus the current number. Total equal to total plus I. So now this statement will be repeated n number of times. Okay. Now come out of this for loop, print the total value. The total sum is, comma, it is present in the total variable. So very simple logic. Just I am going to repeat this statement inside the for loop. So you may get a doubt here that why it is n plus 1. So range of 1 comma n plus 1. Let me show you here. So range of 1 comma 6. Okay. So what is the range here? Can you please show in the form of a list here? Then if you give that, it is giving the list of 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the reason I have added here n plus 1. Okay. Now save this program as program 14.py. Now run this program here. So what is the n value? If I give the n value as 5, the total sum is 15. Now let's take another test case. Now the n value is 10. The sum of first 10 numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 10. The sum is 55. Okay. So there may be multiple other procedures also to calculate the sum. This is one of the way I have used for loop. Even you can use the while loops also to do the same task. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates of computer education. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.